Upgrading your Ford's sound system just got easier with this speaker adapter designed specifically for select Ford vehicles. Each pack includes 2 adapters that connect aftermarket speakers directly to your factory speaker harness, no cutting or soldering required. That means a cleaner install and no risk of damaging your vehicle's wiring. What sets this adapter apart is its plug-and-play design. You simply unplug your stock speaker, connect the adapter to the factory harness, and plug in your new speakers. The installation is quick and straightforward, saving you time and frustration. Plus, it's backed by positive reviews from drivers across the United States who appreciate the hassle-free setup. Some users have noted that the wiring pins don't line up perfectly at first. Specifically, the negative wire on the adapter doesn't match the negative on the vehicle's harness. However, there's no need to cut or solder anything to fix this. The solution lies in carefully depinning the body harness connector, a process that only requires a small flat blade screwdriver and a bit of patience. Here's how it works. After removing your old speaker, you'll locate the red locking mechanism on the body harness connector. Gently pry up the plastic lock from the rubber seal, then pull it straight out using a needle nose plier or screwdriver. Inside, lift the small tabs holding the wires while pulling lightly on the wires to release the pins. Then, swap the pins into their correct positions and lock the connector back in place. This simple adjustment ensures the adapter works perfectly without any permanent modifications. One thing to keep in mind: a few users reported a fit issue where one adapter didn't seat properly, causing a pin to pop out. While this seems like a rare quality control hiccup, it's easily managed by carefully repositioning the pin and securing it with shrink tubing. Considering these adapters cost only $8, this minor flaw doesn't outweigh the overall value they offer. What you get with these adapters is a reliable, no-fuss way to upgrade your Ford's audio without altering the factory wiring. It's ideal for anyone who wants a clean install without the need for professional help or specialized tools. If you're looking for a straightforward solution that saves time and protects your vehicle's integrity, this adapter is worth a look. If that's you, give these speaker adapters a try when you're ready to upgrade. They make the process simple, affordable, and nearly foolproof. No cutting, no soldering, just a smooth connection that lets your new speakers shine in your Ford vehicle.